Are you ready to experience the future of smartwatches? The Black Shark Watch X Pro is a game changer, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek design and powerful features. From its 2MP rotating camera to 150-plus workout modes and a stunning ultra-slim profile, this smartwatch isn't just about keeping time, it's about keeping up with your lifestyle. Whether you're tracking your fitness, staying connected on the go, or making a style statement, the Black Shark Watch X Pro is your ultimate companion. Stick around as we take an in-depth look at all the ways this smartwatch will redefine what you expect from wearable tech. Let's start with the first thing that catches your eye, the design. The Black Shark Watch X Pro is all about combining style with functionality. At just 9.5 millimeters thick and weighing a mere 33.5 grams, this watch is one of the slimmest and lightest in its category. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, it feels incredibly durable without being bulky. Its sleek curves and minimalist aesthetic make it suitable for any occasion, whether you're dressed up for a business meeting or gearing up for a workout session. Now let's talk about the 1.75-inch AMOLED display. This isn't just any display. It's a 466 by 466 pixel resolution powerhouse that delivers 700 nits of brightness. Translation: it's vibrant, sharp, and easily readable, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're checking notifications or admiring your health stats, every detail looks stunning. The display also features 2.5D curved glass, giving it a seamless edge-to-edge look. It's like having a mini smartphone on your wrist. Design matters. Do you think a smartwatch should prioritize sleekness, durability, or screen quality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Looks are important, but what truly sets the Black Shark Watch X Pro apart is its internal performance. Running on a customized Android-based operating system, this smartwatch offers a fast, fluid, and intuitive experience. Navigating through apps and features is incredibly smooth, thanks to its optimized UI. There's no lag, no awkward animations, just a seamless experience from start to finish. Whether you're browsing your workout stats or checking your messages, everything responds quickly, ensuring a satisfying user experience. What makes the Black Shark Watch X Pro even more powerful is its integration with Xiaomi's fitness ecosystem. If you've already been using Xiaomi apps or devices, the smartwatch syncs effortlessly with your existing health and fitness data. From tracking your daily steps to analyzing your sleep patterns, all your metrics are just a tap away. Customization is also a key feature. The watch supports customizable watch faces, so you can switch up your look based on your mood or style. Whether you prefer a professional vibe or something vibrant, it's easy to personalize, and dynamic watch faces can even display real-time stats like heart rate or weather updates, adding both functionality and flair. Here's where the Black Shark Watch X Pro truly breaks the mold. Its innovative 2MP rotating camera. Embedded discreetly into the crown, this 180-degree rotating lens lets you capture moments in a way that no other smartwatch can. Picture taking a quick selfie without fumbling for your phone or recording your workout session hands-free. Whether you're out on a hike, in the gym, or just hanging out with friends, you can snap photos or videos with ease, making it perfect for those always on the go. But that's not all. The camera also supports HD video calling, so you can join a Zoom meeting or catch up with family directly from your wrist without needing your smartphone nearby. It's a game-changing feature that redefines convenience, putting seamless communication right on your wrist. What's even better is the camera's discreet placement, which ensures it doesn't compromise the watch's ultra-slim profile. Cameras on smartwatches, are they the future or just a gimmick? Share your thoughts in the comments. For fitness enthusiasts, the Black Shark Watch X Pro is a game changer, offering over 150 workout modes. It caters to a wide variety of activities, from mainstream options like running, cycling, and swimming to niche workouts like Pilates, parkour, and dance routines. No matter your fitness preference, there's a mode tailored to your needs. What truly sets it apart is the independent GNSS positioning, which allows you to track outdoor activities like hiking or trail running with precision, even when your phone isn't nearby. In addition to fitness tracking, the watch provides comprehensive health monitoring. It continuously tracks your heart rate, sending real-time alerts for any irregularities. It also measures SpO2 levels to ensure your oxygen saturation remains optimal, monitors sleep quality by analyzing deep, light, and REM cycles, and checks stress levels, reminding you to take a breather. To top it off, a hydration tracker keeps you aware of your water intake, making the smartwatch more like a personal fitness coach and health companion. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is crucial, and the Black Shark Watch X Pro ensures you never miss a beat. Equipped with eSIM and NanoSIM support, this smartwatch allows you to be fully independent from your phone. It is compatible with 4G, 3G, and 2G networks, enabling you to make calls, send messages, and even browse the internet, all from your wrist. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll be able to stay connected without needing to carry your phone with you. Additionally, the Bluetooth 5.2 technology ensures smooth and seamless pairing with your devices, making it easier than ever to sync your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled gadgets. The watch also includes NFC, which enables you to make contactless payments directly from your wrist, adding a layer of convenience to your everyday transactions. With built-in Wi-Fi, you're always connected when in range, whether you're at a cafe or at the office, ensuring you never lose touch with what matters most. Imagine leaving your phone at home for a run or a short trip, yet still staying fully connected and in control. The Black Shark Watch X Pro truly has you covered in any situation. With the Black Shark Watch X Pro, you can kiss battery anxiety goodbye. Equipped with a powerful 900 mAh battery, this smartwatch provides up to 75 hours of normal use on just a single charge. For those who prefer to use their device more sparingly, the standby mode maximizes battery efficiency, allowing you to extend its life even further. Whether you're traveling on a weekend getaway or simply dislike the constant need to recharge, this smartwatch will keep pace with your busy lifestyle. To optimize battery life, even during intense activities, you can activate the power-saving mode while working out. This feature ensures you get the most out of your device without sacrificing essential performance. When it comes to durability, the Black Shark Watch X Pro excels. With its 5 ATM waterproof rating, it's capable of withstanding everything from swimming laps to accidental water splashes. It's also dust-resistant, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring the great outdoors. In short, this watch is for everyone. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking for precise tracking and a variety of workout modes, or a tech geek who loves innovative features like a rotating camera and advanced connectivity, this smartwatch has you covered. Fitness lovers can rely on its accurate tracking for over 150 workout modes from running to swimming, ensuring every movement is monitored and analyzed in detail. Meanwhile, tech enthusiasts will appreciate the seamless integration of modern features like 4G connectivity, eSIM support, and an HD camera, which allows them to stay connected and capture moments directly from their wrist. For the busy professional, the watch's ability to manage calls and messages and notifications, combined with its long-lasting battery life, ensures they stay productive throughout the day without the need for constant charging. At just $170, this is a feature-packed and affordable smartwatch that appeals to anyone looking to elevate their tech game. So, is the Black Shark Watch X Pro worth it? Absolutely. From its ultra-slim design and rotating camera to its unmatched fitness and connectivity features, this smartwatch is a game-changer. It's stylish, functional, and priced just right. Whether you're buying your first smartwatch or upgrading from an older model, this one deserves your attention. What's your favorite feature of the Black Shark Watch X Pro? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, Tech Fam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Stay connected, stay fit, and stay ahead with the Black Shark Watch X Pro. See you in the next video.